Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.1 of chapter number 3, square and square roots. Let us see the solutions. First question is, find the square of the following numbers. First number is a natural number, 31. So just we have to square it. Put the sign of square over it. Squaring means multiplying the number by itself. In your rough copy, when you will multiply these two numbers, or when we square this number, we get 961. This is the answer. Very simple. Just you have to use the rough copy. Second is a decimal number, 0.016. So squaring this means the same thing. 0.016 square over it means 0.016 multiply by 0.016. In these two numbers, we can see that we have how many total number of decimal places? 1, 2, 3. After decimal we have 3 places here, and after decimal we have 3 places here. So in total we have to put the answer with 6 decimal places. Now let us see how it is to be done. The square of 16 is 256. So how will we make the 6 decimal places? We have the 3 digits here. We will include 3 zeros here before it. So the answer will be 0.000256. Next is 11th part, minus 26 upon 15. This is a rational number. So squaring this means minus 26 multiply by minus 26 upon 15 into 15. You know that square of 26 is 676. Minus into minus becomes plus, and the square of 15 is 225. Okay. Next question is, check if the following numbers are perfect squares. So our first part is 9801. So to check it, we have to find the complete pairs of the factors of this number. Let us see using the prime factorization method. Using the divisibility method, we see that here in ones place we have 1. So this number is not an even number. We will try it with 3. The divisibility of 3 says that add the digits of the given number. If the sum is divisible by 3, then this number will be divisible by 3. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. So this number will be divided by 3 because 18 is also divided by 3. Divisible by 3. 3 is a 9. 3 2 is 6. 2 is left over. 3 6 is 18. 2 is left over. And 3 7 is 21. Again 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So we will divide it by 3 again. 3 1s are 3, 2 is not divisible, we will put here 0. Now it becomes 26, 3 8s is 24, 2 is there, and 27. So 3 9s is 27. Now 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18. So we'll divide it by 3 again. 3 3s is 9. 1 is there, so it becomes 18. 3 6 is 18 and 3 3 is 9. Again we will divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now 121 is the square of 11. So we'll divide it by 11. 11s are and 11 1s are. So making pairs, the pair of 3 is complete, the pair of 3 is complete, and the pair of 11 is also complete. So we'll write here all the pairs are complete. So 9801 is a perfect square number. Next I am taking 10th part, 1500. This is an even number, so we'll divide it by 2. Half of 1500 is 750 and half of 750 is 375. Now 3 plus 7 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so we'll divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5 are 15. Now it will be divided by 5. 5 25 is 125 and 5 5 is 25 and 5 1 is 5. Here first pair is complete and this pair is complete. 3 and 5 are not in pair, so we'll write here 3 and 5 are not in pair, so 1500 is not a perfect square number. Okay. Next is number 3rd. Using properties of the squares, find the values of the following. We can see that in our first part and 6th part, the difference between these two numbers is only 1. Okay, this is 15, this is 14, and there is the difference between these numbers of only 1. So there is a direct rule: just add these numbers and you will get the answer. Just add these numbers and you will get the answer. Very simple. Just you have to remember this thing. Next is number 4. How many number lies between squares of the following numbers 10 and 11? Students, out of 10 and 11, the smaller number is 10. So there is a rule: smaller number is taken as n. Then the larger number, how 11 is formed, means n plus 1. N plus 1 means 10 plus 1. It gives you 11. Okay, so the values are clear. The smaller value is taken as n, that is 10, and the larger number is only one more than this, so I have recognized the rule n plus 1. Okay. Let us see the rule. What is the rule? There are two n natural numbers. This is the answer. 2n natural numbers between n square and n plus 1 whole square. Okay. So in our question it is said that how many numbers lie between the squares of these numbers. Okay. So the square of n is n square and the square of n plus 1 is n plus 1 square. Okay. So as the rule says, there are two n natural numbers. So we have to find how many numbers. So 2n gives you 2n means 2 into what is the value of n? The value of n is 10. So 2 tens is 20. Very simple. Okay. And roughly you can check it. If you square this 11, it gives you 121 and the square of 10 is 100. So 121, between 121 and 100 there are 20 natural numbers. Okay. You will count from 101 and reach up to 120 only. Okay. So the answer is 20. In each question of this part, you will take the smaller value as n and the larger value as n plus 1. Rest is same. Number 5. Using the properties of squares, find the following products. 32 plus multiply by 34. In this, what is common between these numbers? The common is that when we add 2 to 30, we get 32, and when we add 4 to 30, we get 34. So in algebra, we have some specific identities that you have to learn. 32 can be expressed as 30 plus 2 and 34 can be expressed as 30 plus 4. There is an identity x plus a multiply by x plus b. This identity gives you the expression x square plus a plus b inside the bracket multiplied by x plus the product of a and b. So let us see what are the values of these variables. The value of x is 30 in both the brackets. So I will write here x is equal to 30. The value of a is 2 and the value of b is 4. Okay. So just I will put the values. X square means 30 square. A plus b means 2 plus 4 and outside the bracket 30, and a into b means 2 into 4. The square of 30 is 900. You know this. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 3 is 18. So it is 180. The product of 2 and 4 is 8. When you will add these three numbers, 900 plus 100 is 1000 and 80 plus 8 is 1088. So it is 1088. Students, next question from this part we will continue tomorrow. You will complete these notes by today. Thank you.